Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw an oak leaf, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. Now the draw stuff real easy way is to pencil in with a pencil, and then we ink in with a pen, and then when it's absolutely dry, erase the pencil so no one knows how you planned it and how clever you are. So what we want to do is to start by drawing a kind of a very gentle curve like that, and don't press too hard because you want to erase this later. And do a little curve at the bottom there, and then this is going to want to come closer and closer and closer like that. Now we want a kind of a flattish top like that, and it's sort of going to be coming out like that. It's kind of a bit coffin shape really, I suppose. It's sort of coming down like that, and then that will be coming up there. So it's kind of a bit like a feather, I suppose. And we're going to want kind of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, maybe just 3 along that side because it can be all a little bit uneven. So what we're going to do is to start by drawing, this is the petiole part of the stem, and then just put a little kind of curve in there like that, and then this is going to turn into the midrib, and that's just going to kind of fade out there, and this is going to get thinner and thinner and thinner like that, and then this is going to come out like that, and maybe a little bit wobbly, and then in, and it wants to come in about 90 degrees to this midrib. And again we want to do something similar, and that's coming out like that. And then we want to, a little bit of a curve, and then a kind of a snaky S kind of around to there. And then a similar thing there. And a similar thing around there like that. And here we can have that coming into there and around like that. And what we're aiming for here, in fact, is to have kind of have 2 little bits like that. So we're going to move this circle over there a bit more, and that's going to kind of come around and curve that in there, and then this can come around like that. Now we want to put the veins coming out. These are called the lobes, these bits that stick out. So we want to draw the veins, and this is going to come quite straight out, and they don't need to be exactly opposite each other. So this will now be at more of an angle, and they all sort of get to be more of an angle as we go around, and that will come to there. Now here we want this to be a bit more kind of snaky like that, and this too will be a little bit more snaky, and this will be a bit more snaky, and maybe kind of put dots at the end just to let it kind of fade out. And then we're going to want another one like that, and another one going up to there, and then we could maybe have a couple like that. When you are sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. And I'm going to give it a bit of shadow here, so I want to have a shadow of the petiole just sticking out a little bit like that. And what I'm going to do is to plan this a little bit. Normally I just sketch in a load of shadow, but this is a bit more tricky, so we want that going there, and we're going to have a little bit like that, or maybe on that side there. We'll put it on the table by having the horizon going through like that, and then what we want to do is to carefully kind of fill in this shadow with these lines. So sometimes they're going to want to get a bit longer. If you want to make it look really neat, then you just got to take your time and draw them all the way. And again, when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. And what we might do is add a little bit of sort of texture and shading down that mid-rib like that. I'm tempted to put lots of other veins and things in there, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Really simple, real easy. And there you go. So keep coming back. So make sure, click down here and make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more how to draw videos. And ask an adult to support me on Patreon, where you can get download sheets and all sorts of things like that, and help me to run this channel. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.